Hey, this is Jason T. Smith from the Thrifting Board, JasonThrifts.com, and Jason's Tiki Adventures. Now, normally I don't do everything together, but this one's a doozy, so I want to make sure that everybody in my Tiki world and my thrifting world all get to see this video. Normally I do unboxing videos of Tiki mugs. Well, today's a little bit different because I hope you can tell this is not a Tiki mug. It's a smidge bigger. This is a piece of artwork by a company called Witco. Witco made a bunch of stuff, a lot of Tiki, a lot of not Tiki, that all hangs in people's houses who collect Tiki. This Tiki, this Witco in here, is something that you have never ever seen before. So I want to show you that, but I also want to show you, look how amazing this packing job is. And guess who did it? Big Daddy himself, my father, Regan Smith. He's an amazing packer, so I have no fears that this didn't make it here in one piece. So let's start unpacking. And by the way, by this point, you'll probably be seeing me go in fast motion. So, as you can see, typically we have used pool noodles in the past. I don't know what this giant pool noodle is. I'm gonna have to ask my parents because this is a lot bigger than the normal pool noodle that I am used to. So, I'm excited to see what other useful shipping tools I can use. All right, are we ready for the unveil? Are we ready for the unveiling? Oh, it's upside down, so it really isn't unveiled yet. All right. And as you can see, here's the rest of the pool noodles that kept it, the top, the bottom, and the sides solid. Oh, whoops, it's upside down. Yep, it is a Witco clown. We are shooting this video in my office, which has become the creepy clown headquarters. And this will be the focal point of the collection. So yes, it is Witco. It is a clown, which you have never seen before. And it will go well in my collection. Now, the cool thing was, another friend had bought this and then decided to pass because of the shipping price, but myself and my parents know how to ship way better than everybody else. So this only cost 50 bucks from Ohio to Nevada. And how they do that? FedEx home delivery. Yes, that is how you get big stuff from across the country at low, low prices. Isn't that badass? I know. So thanks for watching this Tiki unboxing, or this clown unboxing. And check out my other adventures at Jason's Tiki Adventures. And if you're a part of my thrifting world, check out the Thrifting Board and JasonThrifts.com. And I'll be seeing you for my next mug unboxing. Catch you at the Tiki Bar. Akale Maluna.